The IPFT supporters of Tripura reached in Delhi on Saturday evening to celebrate the statehood demand day on Jantar Mantar. Due to the train was delayed for 3 hours, they were supposed to reach in Delhi by afternoon, but the Tripuri Sundari Express train reached at around 5 p.m. evening. A total of 180 IPFT members left for Delhi on the last 17 August by Tripuri Sundari Express train to celebrate the statehood demand day in Jantar Mantar, Delhi on 23rd August on the occasion of ADC Foundation Day. The IPFT supporters reached in Delhi 2 days after they began their journey from Tripura by train. Due to the train was delayed for 3 hours, they were supposed to reach in Delhi by afternoon, but the Tripuri Sundari Express train reached at around 5 p.m. evening. After that, they were taken to Birla Mandir by bus for resting. Even though they did not face any trouble on their journey, they were exhausted and needed rest, said the members of Delhi Abhiyan.
Galeno hambai jotun saimono norok jung 17 tarik ni sibi train kalai phale mani jung tabukno chino jaga train sopaika New Delhi rail station no emne kono cabin muk to goi haipano jotun saimono rail ni journey bahai abon bagai jotun lenglai ja karon jung sleeper class se tanai bam phema odaga na tugunani kono na tunani ka phema tholai abon jotun lenglai ja dofani fiona hinai jotono sacrifice kainan ready ngino jungro jotun sopale ja jungtebo chini program tongko 23 tarik si main program obo je mathuya ba mache yangmona kuno problem ya jung diliwo tongnai rongno different khorang khana na hinje phema ba 23 tarik se chini main program jasuk dukho kostong mane abo kuno problem ya ke tabu jora to kuno problem kore tabu nai kana busto
23 tarik kota diga program nam
jono saimono je 23 tarik to jung development statehood demand day ne prodiboshan pallai tongmon abo chini oro
time kota jara
demonstration madhyame chenglai nai oro 11 tan simi pray 4 ta jora
tai kubuni oroni ago Delhi tongnai boro rok pha phai phale ke oronor
especially jung to NFNS we kurungja National Federation of New State on news NFNS ni kota adang rok chinro phai jono chini siri demonstration program jono chubana boy phaine abon badebo chini party president general secretary te chini organization tongnai Tripura cabinet minister borongna sukla charan wate abo juno phai oro chini program jono participate thebene
train tamo accurate time da sope ka train ke
train to generally jungobo expect khai asuk to khayo no 3 hour leading jak ke jesuk time chini online jesuk phunung mani only 3 hour leading jak kun problem ya jung salsang sopoi khaje to kabo chini segang chimi no thik khaijak moro New Delhi ne mondir mar ko Birla Mandir jung already chini booking khaijak jung oro tum dabu thanglai nai
ini hai jora mankha base with train pele hamai maro jung kiniwa 16 tarik ni chimi border ka ni chimi jung train kaboi jung Delhi wo sopai ma ka jung ta Anand Vihar pasta just 15 minute sopaika jo to chini delegate gaham kuring kheno sopai mani bangai ang puila chini Tripura sani jo to dofano ani khabai hamai ma jung tini oro pai jung tini bus kanai bus kai si Birla Mandir jung tini rest na nai
am pore noroni program bupurun dini sini surungnai kota
chini program Jantar Mantar 23 tarik 11 ni simi jung Jantar Mantar don nakhlaine one day sitting demonstration
oro so phai manjak na
Hai bangde chini party IPFT president Prem Kumaria Party IPF ni Vice President KK Jomatia, Hai Mazana IWP ni Josudarin Jomatia, tai North East ni Federation for News Standard Mahine, Hai Sopai Chingwa Baksaki, o meeting of Hai Manjafaya.
A sit-in demonstration will be organized on 23rd August from morning 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. evening. The members of IPF to leave the state Delhi and return to Tripura on that night after the demonstration got over. Reported by Biplov from Delhi, Chini Khorang.